have a very special guest with me to exchange these last few thoughts with. Dr. Sabine Maaßen, our board member for Human Resources and Organization at Audi AG. Sabine, thank you for joining. How have you experienced the MQ Innovation Summit so far?
Thanks for having me. I'm impressed how our teams has pulled off this event and how our speakers made this digital experience possible. In times of Corona, we all painfully feel the lack of social interaction. And events like the MQ Summit are living of vital networking, meeting like-minded people and engaging in conversations. So in an all-digital setup, it is very challenging to keep up this spirit. Therefore, I want to thank everyone who made this event come to life. I also want to bring up a big thank you to our participants who committed their time and shared their ideas in our multiple workshops. I'm thrilled that you all stayed on board for these last 25 hours. The MQ Summit always stood for an open exchange with the purpose of sharing ideas. COVID-19 may require social distance, but it will not keep us from socializing. It might require stricter measures, but it will not stop us from striving for a better future. COVID-19 showed us on very important truth. We are all in this together. So again, thank you all for coming.
Thank you, Sabine. You addressed a topic that is omnipresent at the moment. Nevertheless, as you said, we had amazing speakers here on stage. So which learnings are you taking back home?
I was especially looking forward to hearing our keynote speaker, Tristan Harris. His impulses are really resonating with me. For example, his reference to appreciate and protect the very humanness in our life. I see this claim reflecting in our day-to-day routines. Rather, take the time and talk to your colleagues about a problem than sending a short worded text or email. Human centricity is key, also for us here at Audi. I also very strongly agree to this point that, after all, the digital world is to serve the human and not vice versa. We need to foster a pronounced understanding regarding the mechanics and logic behind the tools that we are all using.
A pronounced understanding, you said. Could you elaborate a bit more on that, please?
In a world that is becoming more and more digital, it is our responsibility to be critical as consumers. It is our responsibility to teach generations to come the downsides and potential risks of the tools we are given. As a company, too, it is important to take a stand. We at Audi highly value data security. Our customers, partners, and employees can be certain that their data is always safe with us.
Is there anything in particular that you're bringing back to your daily work?
Definitely a lot of inspiration. Speaking of, I want to express my respect for our speaker, Anna Nixon. Her educational work and the STEAM for Girls initiative really impressed me. Statistics still show a critical imbalance between male and female commitment to natural science in their curricula. From an employer's perspective, it is crucial to motivate young talents from all genders to take an interest in these subjects.
So what are you at Audi contributing to this objective?
At Audi, we started the Girls for Technology Camp in 2002, inviting girls already at the age of 12 to dip into the tech departments at Audi. We also offer annual Girls' Days where schoolgirls can experience technology. In my opinion, it is incredibly exciting to work in tech today. With all the challenges and opportunities that we face, there is a lot of space to realize your own visions. Audi is a place where we embrace change. And we never stop questioning.
Sabine, thank you very much.